Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing my everyday makeup routine, and this is it right here. I'm sorry that I look a little bit weird right now. Is because I just got back from vacation and my nose is peeling really bad right now. So I'm sure my nose looks very stupid and ugly right now, so just don't mind that. But yeah, so if you guys want to see my everyday makeup routine, then just keep on watching. Okay, so let's start on my makeup. So obviously the first thing that I do is I always put on moisturizer. So currently I just bought a new moisturizer because I am peeling all over my face. I don't know if y'all can tell on camera, but I am peeling because I just got back from vacation. So like literally I just got back. So I'm peeling everywhere on my nose, around my mouth, on my chin, and just everywhere in like this area I'm peeling, and I'm pretty sure I'm gonna start peeling on my forehead. I have been using literally for my whole life for moisturizer. This is my holy grail product. It is the Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizing Lotion. I swear by this. If you are a very dry person, I recommend this moisturizer for you because I've been using this probably like 6th grade. So I love this product so much. So I literally just grab just a little dollop of it and just put it all over my face. I just bought a new moisturizer as well, and this is, it's called Moisturizing Jelly Cream, and this is it. And the texture is like really weird. I don't know, I kind of like it, but then again, well, I've only used this once only, and this is like my second time using this, so I just got it in, and yeah. And after that I put on the, well, I spray on the Mario Badescu spray. I'm sure everybody has this, so I just spray this, and I'm actually running out, so like literally like I barely have anything left in this, so I'm running out badly on this. And then after that I put on primer. I know this is like a lot of products that I put before my face, but I don't know why I do it. I just do it. My mom actually got me this, and she told me that she didn't like it, but she was like, well, if you like it, you know, you can use it, try it out. And I've been using it probably like 3 months now, and I like it. I mean, I guess you could say it does the job what a primer is supposed to do, like keep your foundation intact, I guess. I don't know that much about makeup, so I really don't know. Obviously my foundation routine has changed quite a bit, but right now I am using the True Match Super Blendable Makeup by L'Oreal Paris, and it is this one, and I am in the shade W6. Well, before I went to my vacation I was in the shade Sun Beige, but I'm pretty sure this does not match me anymore, so we will see if it still matches me. It probably doesn't match me. I think it's probably going to be a little bit too light for me. Dab it. Yeah, this is probably too light for me, but we will work with it. I'm just gonna have to bronze my face up a lot. Well, actually I don't think it is that light. I think it still matches me. I think the only part that it doesn't match is my forehead, because my forehead is darker than my actual face, which I don't know why. You think this is too much foundation that I'm putting on? Trust me, someone just knocked and I don't want to open it up. I don't want to open the door up. I think it was a mailman. I think, yeah, it was probably the mailman. Okay, we're just gonna carry on with the video. The concealer that I use is the Infallible Pro Glow by L'Oreal Paris as well, and I like it. I don't have a problem with concealer. I'm not too picky about my foundations nor my concealer. My powders, on the other hand, I am picky on my powders, but like for my foundation and for my concealer, like if it works, it works. If it doesn't, it doesn't. But I usually have no problems with my foundation or my concealer. So if I like it, then I'll stick to it. So this is the one that I've been liking recently, and I got the color 03 Nude Beige. And I don't really like getting concealers that are like brightening, or like not necessarily brightening, but probably a shade lower than my skin tone. And I barely put any concealer on, as you can tell. Like just like my foundation, I don't put that much on. And since I'm peeling all over my face basically, I'm not gonna put that much on because I don't want it to look cakey. So I'm just gonna grab, actually I'm just gonna grab this mirror and after my concealer, I don't like to powder my face right away. I know that's kind of weird, but I like to do my eyebrows next. I know probably a lot of people are watching this probably like, what the hell, like that's really weird, but I don't know. That's just the way that I like to do it. I hate doing my eyebrows because my eyebrows suck and I just don't really care for them. Oh yeah, and the brow pencil that I use is LA Girl Shady Slim, and it is in the color Blackest Brown. Ugh! I hate doing my eyebrows. Like, y'all do not understand how much I hate doing my eyebrows. So we're gonna come back to my eyebrows. They probably look ugly, like always, but it's okay because I don't care, and I'm pretty sure y'all don't care. So I get my powder, and the powder that I use is by Revolution, and it is the Luxurious Baking Powder, and it is in the color Banana. And I like this powder a lot actually. So I just get like a flat surface and I just pour the powder onto it, just like that, and I just pat it on under my eyes. I really don't bake because first of all, I don't know how to bake, and second of all, if I put like too much under my eyes, then I just get the brush and I just blend it all in, which is probably not the right way to do it, but it's okay. So then after that, I get my bronzer, and I recently just got a new bronzer. I got the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer, and this is in the color Medium to Deep Matte Bronzer. This is how it looks, and it actually does smell like chocolate, and I actually like it, but I still like my Hoola Benefit bronzer. I have been using this bronzer for so long now, like literally, like I've had this for probably, I don't know, like a very long time, and I'm barely like hitting pan on it. And I'm going to be using this brush. It's a mermaid brush. I don't know where it's from, and I don't know the name of it, but I have like a kit, like it came in a kit with like a lot of brushes in it, obviously. And so yeah, I just use like an angled brush, I guess. I don't know how to do makeup, but so yeah, so I just suck in my cheeks and do bronzer. That's it. It's very easy to do. And then if I want to like deepen, like I guess up my bronzer, I use the Chocolate Soleil one as well. So I barely like get any on the brush, and I just focus it like only right here. After I'm done with my bronzer, I use the Tarte in Paaarty. This is the blush, and it's so tiny. Look at it. It's so tiny, and I just use the same brush because I don't really care. Set my eyebrows with the NYX Control Freak eyebrow gel, and it just looks like this, and I just set it. I swear by this eyebrow gel, it is so good, and this is literally the only eyebrow gel that I ever use, and it keeps my eyebrows intact and they never move at all. So I love this product. Before I put on mascara, I always curl my lashes first, and I just curl them. After that, I put on mascara. So the mascara that I use is the Voluminous Lash Paradise, and I use a waterproof one, and it is in Loreal Paris. After I curl them, I just apply a lot of mascara because I like my eyelashes to look thick and big. The last thing that I put on is highlighter, and I use the Becca highlighter, and it is in this color. And I actually use two highlighters. The first one that I put on is the Milani highlighter in the color Strobelight, and this is how it looks. So I put on this one first, and then I use my all-time favorite highlighting brush. It's actually a setting brush, but I use it as a highlight brush, and it is the Real Techniques brush, and it is the setting brush, and I just go around and I put it obviously on my cheekbones. I put a little bit on my nose and on my cupid's bow as well. And then after I use that highlighter, I use the Becca one, and I just get a little bit, because this one is actually like blinding. And then I also put some on my eyebrow bone, and I use the BH Cosmetic, this little brush. I just get a little bit and put it on my eyebrow bone. Okay. And then after I'm done with all of that, I set my face real quick with the Mario Badescu spray. And so yeah, so that is it for my everyday makeup routine. I know it is very minimal, and I wouldn't say it's minimal, but it is very natural, and I like my makeup to look very natural and just glowy, as y'all can tell. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, please give this video a big thumbs up, and all of my makeup stuff, whatever that I use, will be in the description below, so y'all can look at that to see what y'all like that I use for my makeup routine. And yeah, so give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe for more. Bye guys.